ready to ditch the fragmented subscriber data and finally unify your audience. This video will show you precisely how to move your Manychat contacts and conversations straight into Beehiiv, ensuring you never miss a beat with your subscribers. First, we need to export your valuable contact list from Manychat log into your Manychat account and navigate to the contacts section. You'll see a list of all your subscribers. Look for the export button, which is typically a download or CSV icon. Clicking this will prompt you to download your contact data as a spreadsheet file. This file will contain all the essential information about your subscribers, such as their names, email addresses, and any other custom fields you might be using. Once you've downloaded your Manychat contacts, open the spreadsheet. Take a moment to review the data. You'll want to ensure the columns are clearly labeled and that you have the necessary information for importing into Beehiiv. Pay close attention to the email address column, as this is the primary identifier for your Beehiiv subscribers. You can also clean up any unnecessary columns at this stage. Now, let's head over to your Beehiiv account, log in, and navigate to your dashboard. You're looking for the subscribers section or an import subscribers option. Beehiiv makes this process straightforward. You'll typically find an import button or a link to upload a file. Click on that to initiate the import process. This is where you'll upload the spreadsheet you exported from Manychat. Beehiiv will usually guide you through a mapping process. This means you'll tell Beehiiv which column in your spreadsheet corresponds to which field in your Beehiiv subscriber profile. For example, you'll map your email column to Beehiiv's email field and your first name column to Beehiiv's first name field. Take your time here to ensure accurate mapping. After mapping your fields, Beehiiv will often show you a preview of the data it's about to import. Review this carefully to catch any potential errors. Once you're confident, hit the import button. Beehiiv will then process your file and add all your Manychat contacts to your subscriber list. You've successfully unified your audience. By following these simple steps, you've consolidated your audience data and ensured communication continuity. This integration streamlines your subscriber onboarding and management, allowing you to focus on delivering fantastic content through Beehiiv. Happy publishing.